Hey guys, this is Chris, Shamrock Auto Removal. Just bought this 07 Dodge Caliber from IAA. They just buy it now at $350. Keys $750 out the door. It's supposed to be a running drive. Come to find out, starter is locked up. Car is completely trashed and was full of water. Broken window right there. Has 215,000 miles on it. Interior is trashed. They did not take care of this car at all. It is gross. Trim hanging on. Busted window. The back. Car was full of water. Back here is glass everywhere. Water in the tail light. Car was in an accident. Somebody tried to repair it. Backyard repair. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Nice little repair job there. And there. Real nice. Interior is, I don't know, it's trash, but I guess it's not too bad. It's got a clean title. Scratches there. They tried to fix it. Tires bald. Dent in the hood. Overall, it's not a bad car. Make somebody get a little cheap run around. Get a new starter this week, put that on there and see how she sounds.